Welcome back to Mike the Birdman of Minnesota. In this episode, we're going to see how many of these common birds you can name from your backyard. Name that bird. White-throated sparrow. Name that bird. Brown-headed cowbird. Name that bird. House finch. Name that bird. House sparrow. Name that bird. Downy woodpecker. I would like to thank Sandy and Jean for permission to use their photos. I hope you're enjoying Name That Bird. How many of these birds did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. And if you would like me to feature one of these birds in an upcoming program, please leave a comment below. If you would like to see more of this type of content, please subscribe to my channel.